Get ready, because Apple's next big revolution is finally here, and this time, it's not just about power. It's about rewriting the future of mobile computing. The brand new M5 iPad Pro has officially leaked, and what's emerging from these reports feels less like an upgrade and more like a complete redefinition of what a tablet can be. Apple seems determined to blur the line between a laptop and a tablet forever, and with the M5 chip at its core, the 2025 iPad Pro might just be the most advanced piece of technology Apple has ever built. Imagine holding desktop-level power in your hands, powered by silicon so intelligent it anticipates your next move before you even make it. Early reports are calling it Apple's fastest and smartest iPad ever, and from everything we're hearing, that might actually be an understatement. The new M5 chip reportedly delivers a jaw-dropping 3.5x boost over the already blazing M4, thanks to a redesigned neural engine capable of processing trillions of operations per second. It's not just about raw speed anymore. It's about how that speed transforms the experience, multitasking that feels effortless, AI-driven editing that happens in real time, and performance that rivals full-fledged computers. The M5 doesn't just handle heavy apps. It dominates them, running Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, and Adobe's full creative suite with buttery smooth efficiency. This isn't just performance for the sake of power. It's performance designed to empower creators, designers, and professionals who need serious muscle without being tied to a desk. Design-wise, Apple isn't reinventing the outer shell, and that's because it doesn't have to. The M5 iPad Pro keeps the same sleek, razor-thin frame that's become iconic, but inside that familiar body is an entirely new beast. The Ultra Retina XDR Tandem OLED display returns, but this time it's brighter, sharper, and more vivid than ever before. With incredible contrast ratios, true blacks, and color accuracy that feels cinematic, it's the kind of screen that makes every image pop like it's alive. The 120Hz ProMotion refresh rate is still here, giving every scroll, swipe, and animation that silky, almost surreal fluidity that no other tablet has matched. Apple has spent years perfecting this display, and now it feels like they've reached the pinnacle. A screen so immersive that using it feels less like looking at a display and more like looking through a window into your content. Whether you're editing HDR footage, sketching with the Apple Pencil Pro, or simply streaming a 4K movie, the M5 iPad Pro delivers an experience that's pure visual luxury. And even though the external design looks similar, Apple has subtly refined the materials and color finish to make it feel even more premium in the hand, lighter, cooler, and more balanced for long creative sessions. But the real magic of the new M5 iPad Pro lies beyond performance and visuals. Connectivity takes a massive leap forward this year, thanks to Apple's new N1 wireless chip. With full support for Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and Apple's growing Thread networking ecosystem, the new iPad Pro connects faster, more reliably, and more intelligently than ever. Whether you're uploading massive video files, collaborating on cloud projects, or controlling smart devices around your home, this iPad is built for a hyper-connected future. The cellular models are also getting a boost, equipped with the new C1X modem that pushes 5G to blazing new limits. We're talking download speeds that rival broadband, all while maintaining rock-solid battery performance. Apple is even rumored to add a clever dual-front camera system that adjusts automatically depending on orientation, meaning no more awkward angles during video calls or live streams. Whether you're using it in portrait or landscape, FaceTime will always keep you perfectly framed. Every detail feels engineered for flexibility, and that's what makes the M5 iPad Pro feel like more than just a device. It feels like a smart companion that adapts to you. Now, where things get truly next-gen is in Apple's approach to AI and creativity. With the M5, Apple is introducing deep-on-device AI integration that could completely reshape iPadOS. This isn't cloud-based processing. This is intelligence happening right on the chip, instantly, privately, and efficiently. Imagine drawing a complex scene and your iPad helps complete it based on your style, or editing a photo and having the device suggest perfect color corrections with pixel-level precision, or producing a music track and having AI automatically balance your mix. These aren't science fiction ideas anymore. They're exactly what Apple is building the M5 to handle. Combine that with the Apple Pencil Pro, which now has advanced pressure and tilt sensitivity, plus haptic feedback that lets you feel the texture of virtual brushes, and you've got a creative tool set unlike anything else in the industry. Pair it with the new Magic Keyboard, which magnetically transforms the iPad into a near laptop experience with improved keys and a larger glass trackpad, And suddenly, this device isn't a companion to your MacBook, while it is your MacBook, only thinner, lighter, and more futuristic. Despite packing all this new technology, Apple has managed to push battery life even further. The M5 iPad Pro is expected to deliver up to 14 hours of continuous use, a major achievement given the leap in performance. That's thanks to the efficiency of its new 3nm architecture, which intelligently balances power and performance. Apple's engineers have managed to make a tablet that can handle massive creative workloads while still lasting all day without breaking a sweat. Whether you're editing 8K footage, running multiple design apps, or streaming and sketching for hours, you won't need to hunt for a charger anytime soon. It's efficiency perfected, and it makes the M5 not just powerful, but practical for real-world creators. Now the big question everyone's asking, when is it coming, and how much will it cost? Based on leaks and reliable sources, Apple is expected to officially unveil the M5 iPad Pro lineup later this October, with pre-orders likely to go live within the same week, and global availability rolling out by the end of the month. Pricing appears to stay consistent with last year's M4 models, starting around $990 for the 11-inch version and $1,299 for the larger 13-inch. Of course, as always, if you're going for higher storage tiers, 1 TB or 2 TB, or adding cellular capability and nano-textured glass, expect prices to skyrocket well beyond $2,000. That said, this isn't an iPad meant for casual use. It's clearly built for professionals, designers, editors, and creators who demand performance and mobility in equal measure. Apple's pricing strategy shows confidence. They're not trying to make the cheapest tablet. They're aiming to make the best one. So, should you upgrade? Well, it depends on what you're using now. If you're still on an M1 or M2 iPad Pro, the M5 will feel like a massive leap in every sense. Faster processing, better graphics, smarter AI tools, faster connectivity, and a smoother display. You'll notice the difference instantly, but if you already own the M4 iPad Pro, the decision becomes a little trickier. The design hasn't changed much, and while the M5 brings big performance gains, the everyday experience might feel similar unless you're someone who truly pushes your device to the limit. Still, even if you don't plan to upgrade right away, it's impossible not to be impressed by how far Apple has taken this product line. The M5 iPad Pro feels like a glimpse into the future of computing, where the barriers between tablet, laptop, and workstation no longer exist, and that's exactly what makes this moment so exciting. Apple's vision with the M5 iPad Pro isn't just to make another gadget. It's to make the iPad the center of your creative universe. Everything about this device screams next generation, from the seamless integration of AI tools to the ultra-responsive display, from the pro-level software optimization to the lightning-fast wireless technology. Even the smallest details, like the improved cooling system and adaptive audio enhancements, show that Apple is leaving nothing to chance. The M5 iPad Pro doesn't just compete with laptops, it challenges the very idea of what a computer should be. It's not about ports and fans anymore. It's about power, elegance, and intelligence, all fused into one impossibly thin piece of metal and glass. So as we move closer to its official launch, one thing is clear: this is Apple's most ambitious iPad ever. It's the culmination of years of refinement, innovation, and bold vision, a device that promises to be as capable as it is beautiful. And whether you're a tech enthusiast, a creative professional, or just someone who loves Apple's craftsmanship, the M5 iPad Pro is going to be hard to ignore. It's sleek, it's smart, it's powerful, and it might just be the first tablet that truly replaces your laptop. The only question now is, are you ready for it? Because once Apple drops the M5 iPad Pro, the entire tablet industry is about to change forever. So don't blink, don't scroll away, and make sure you're subscribed, because the next chapter in Apple's innovation story is about to begin. And trust me, you'll want to see what's coming.